Machine production data is currently driving huge change in the industrial sector. Since May 2016, Tronrud Engineering has been using innius, a smart industry platform to conduct machine data acquisition, processing, analysis and forecasting. I'm here at Tronrud Engineering's headquarters in Norway to find out more.
My name is Olav Tronrud and I'm the General Manager for Tronrud Engineering. Tronrud Engineering is a family company. It was started by my father 40 years ago. And we have since the beginning helped manufacturing companies to stay competitive by providing automation solutions. We participate in all the stages from ID to completed machine delivered at the customer. 3D design, development of the software, manufacturing of the parts, assembly.
I'm Erik Hjertaas, General Manager for the Packaging Technology Division. Our strength mainly lies in working closely together with the client, because they always have the know-how about the product, the process. We, on the other hand, will know how to automate and how to make that work real life. We saw that our clients were asking for more. A good working machine was not sufficient anymore. Until now, a lot of maintenance on machines was that you run the machine for 100 hours, then you did your maintenance, you changed components, even though they weren't broke and so on. Customers now would like us to tell them exactly when this motor is broken or a little bit before it's broken, so that they can change it more accurate instead of doing it on a regular basis. And another change we see is that a lot of organizations, they actually don't have all the capability in-house to do advanced service and maintenance on their machines, so important for them to have a close cooperation with our own service department. So that's where innius was interesting, because you can share that information both with the service engineer, the operator, the management, and they do it by one glimpse at the phone or just one glimpse at the screen. They have all production data available. And we can have a closer cooperation with the clients, so we can help them in maintaining the high uptime for their equipment. If a client has a problem, it's important for us to know if we have to go there or we can do an online service. And if we go there, we have to go with the right parts and the right people and the right equipment. And innius actually can tell us a bit more, so that now you can actually change the component based on actually knowing when it's very close to breakdown, because we have sensors telling us when the motor is close to end of life. And then you can change it more seldom and more accurate.
It's not only about delivering a machine and then have completed the job. We need to ensure that the machine is creating value for the customer at all the time. And we need to get the numbers from the machine to see that the machine is running and performing well, and also use data to continue to improve the machine design for the next generation. I do see today's business is even more important to have good partners to collaborate with together to deliver projects, because it is important to have the best software, to have the best mechanical solutions. By adding innius solutions to our machines, we appear more attractive for our customers, because they feel that they're getting more value out of the machine.
Common business model is that we build a machine, the customer buy it. Might be in the future that pay-per-use is a new way of dealing with machines. That means that we need software, we need data that can show us how that machine is operating, so that we can take responsibility for the performance of that machine. We are prepared for that.